This pattern will begin with a magic ring or adjustable circle. To do this, you'll wrap the yarn around your index finger twice, and then you'll pull the first string over the second string over the first, and that will create our magic ring or adjustable circle. We'll get our crochet hook, and now you're going to place a chain 2, and that will count as our first half double crochet now and for the rest of the pattern. 1, 2, and now you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the center ring, yarn over 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that's going to be the half double crochet, and we'll work 2 half double crochet, 2, and now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll work 3 more half double crochet into the center ring. 1, yarn over, insert, yarn over 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 3, 2, 3. And now that's our first corner, so we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we'll work 3 more half double crochet into the center ring. 2, 3. Now we're going to pull the ring closed and chain 3 again. So now we've pulled our ring closed, we'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll work 3 more half double crochet into the center ring. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. And now we're going to end with a chain 3. And we're back at the beginning of our previous chain 2. So to close off round 1, we'll work a slip stitch into the top of that previous chain 2, and then you'll work 3 more slip stitches till you get to the left hand corner, and that's how you're going to begin your next round, round 2 of your continuous granny square blanket, using the half double crochet. So round 2 will begin with a chain 2, and now we'll work 2 more half double crochet for a total of 3 into the same corner space, and then you'll chain 3 and work 3 more half double crochet into that same corner space, and this is how you're going to begin every round. And now when you leave a corner, you're going to work a single chain. And now we're at our next corner. We're going to place 3 half double crochet, 3 chains, and 3 half double crochet. You can use this as an opportunity to weave over your yarn tail end, or you're able to weave in your yarn tail end later with a yarn needle. Wonderful work. And 3. Awesome. And now we're leaving a corner, so we work a single chain. And then when you approach the next corner, you place 3 half double crochet, 3 chains, 3 half double crochet. work our 3 half double crochet. And now you're leaving your corner, so you work a single chain. And now we're at our last corner. We'll work 3 half double crochet, 3 chains, and 3 half double crochet. And we'll finish off with a single chain. And then to close round 2, you'll place 4 slip stitches across the top, going towards your left hand corner, and then we'll begin round 3. So round 3 of our continuous granny square blanket using the half double crochet, we'll begin with a chain 2, and this is how you're going to start every round. And then you're going to place 2 more half double crochet into that same corner space, chain 3, and then 3 more half double crochet worked into that same corner space. And now when you leave a corner, you're going to work a single chain. And now we're at our first chain space, and in every chain space you're going to work 3 half double crochet, and then you leave the chain space with a single chain. Excellent. And now we're at another corner. So in our corners, we're going to work 3 half double crochet, 3 chains, and 3 half double crochet. And 3 half double crochet. Great job. I love this pattern. It works up really nicely and creates a nice dense fabric. It's lovely. And now you leave a corner, so you place your single chain, and now we're at our another chain space, so we work 3 half double crochet and end with a single chain out of the chain space. And now we're at another corner, so you're going to work 3 half double crochet, 3 chains, and 3 half double crochet for your continuous granny square blanket using the half double crochet. This was nice. It was someone had asked a question if you can alter the traditional granny square using double crochet for half double crochet, and it was really fun to figure it out. So if you have any crochet questions, please be sure to let me know in the comment box, okay? And now we're leaving a corner, so we work a single chain, and we're at our next chain space. So we're going to place 3 half double crochet, 3, and now we're leaving a chain space, so you work a single chain. And now we're at our last corner, so we're going to work 3 half double crochet, 3 chains, and 3 half double crochet. Wonderful. And now we're leaving the corner, so we work a single chain. And we're at our last chain space, so we work 3 half double crochet. And then we're leaving a chain space, so we'll work a single chain. And now we're going to place 4 slip stitches to end this round. And you'll work your 4 slip stitches back to your beginning corner, and then you can start round 4 of your continuous granny square blanket. using a half double crochet. And round 4 will begin with a chain 2, and then you just continue your project like that for as long as you'd like it to grow. Working at your beginning corner is going to be chain 2, 2 half double crochet, and then you'll chain 3, 3 half double crochet in your starting corner. You'll work a single chain towards each chain space. In the chain space, you'll place 3 half double crochet. You'll work a single chain out of the chain space. And then when you get to the remaining 3 corners, you place 3 half double crochet, 3 chains, and 3 half double crochet. And then you work your 4 slip stitches to get to your beginning corner again. And so to make this continuous granny square baby blanket, what I did was worked 12 rounds of the pastel blue and then switched colors to the green with my last slip stitch, and then continued that same pattern working in the pastel green for 12 rounds, and then I switched back to the blue for 12 rounds, and then continued for as long as the blanket would grow. And then you just weave over your ends as you go, or you can weave them in with a yarn needle. I found 36 rounds was really nice for the baby blanket size, and then continued to, I think it was about 42 rounds for a lapgan afghan size. And then if you want, my Pisces has asked for a duvet comforter size, so I'm gonna just keep on going.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more crochet tutorials. And if you'd like to learn how to crochet the continuous granny square blanket using the double crochet, be sure to watch this next video.